Instagram has over 6 billion active users scrolling every single month, and the most Amazon affiliates are completely wasting it. Not because it's saturated, not because you need a massive following, but because nobody ever showed them the right way to monetize it. I made $7,793 in just 1 week promoting Amazon affiliate links on Instagram. No showing my face, no dancing on camera, no paying for ads. Just Instagram, Amazon Associate, and a method I'm about to show you completely free in this video. I have been doing affiliate marketing, guys, for over 6 years, and I want to be honest with you. Instagram was also a gold mine. The buyers were always there. I just setting up my profile and links completely wrong for years. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you my exact system step by step, every tool I use, every strategy, every mistake I made, so you don't have to. So pay close attention because this is the Instagram method that changed my entire business in 2026. And let's get started. Step number one, you guys need to create an Amazon affiliate account like this one. You need to join Amazon affiliate account or Amazon associate. Okay, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. This is my commissions, my summary here, and bounties over here. Okay, so step number one, just go to Google and search for Amazon associate. Click on the first link over here like this, and it's gonna take you to this sign up process page. Click on sign up like this. The sign up process is super easy and simple. So click again on create your Amazon account, and here you go. You just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. You just need to follow a few steps, and that's it. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates. So this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good product that you will start promoting on Instagram. You need to choose product that people are already paying for on Amazon. Okay, so pay close attention. So what you will do next, you will go to amazon.com. Okay, go and open your Amazon website, amazon.com, like this. So I'll share with you guys a profitable niche that you need to start with as a beginner. Pay close attention, please. Click on the search bar of Amazon and search for skincare products or skincare niche. Those products, guys, in this category, they are getting crazy sales on Amazon, and they are very profitable for Amazon affiliate marketers. Okay, so you will find here a lot of Amazon products about this niche, skincare niche, and you guys can see. So for example, like those first, you see, like those products, guys, are getting crazy sales. Look at this one, for example. Over 100k people paid for this one just in the past month. Okay, look at this one. Over 70k people paid for this one in the past month. This one, over 1000 people. This one, over 50,000 people paid for this one in the past month. And you have a lot. Look how many products you have, guys. Okay, you see, you have a lot. This is the kind of product you need to promote on Instagram. If you want to earn commissions, start promoting like those products. Okay, don't promote product that you like, or you will, or you are keep guessing. Maybe let's try this one, or let's try this one. Don't do this. Okay, please promote just product that are already getting sales on Amazon. That's how you can win. Okay, let me choose one as an example. So for example, I'm gonna choose like this one. Okay, you guys can see this one. This one, over 20,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Like this one is a good one. I will click on this one here. For me, I will choose this one, and you guys can see that the commission rate is 30%, which is really good. Category beauty and grooming. So this one is a good one. Okay, so what we need to do next is we need a video that we will use to promote this product on Instagram. Okay, and what we will do, guys, is we will use TikTok to find videos. So what we will do, we will copy the name of this product. Okay, like this title product or the name of this product here. And what we will do is we will go to TikTok. Okay, go and open your TikTok homepage like this, and paste the name of the product that you are promoting as an Amazon affiliate marketer here. And here you go. So on TikTok, guys, you will find a lot of videos from different creators who are sharing their experience with these products. Okay, you can find a lot of videos here, so choose at least up to 5 videos, good videos, and test which video is working. Then you can double what's working and avoid what's not working, so you can start generating commission and scale your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so at least test at up to 5 videos. You can find a lot of videos here. Okay, so let me show you, and I'll show you guys also how you can use those videos correctly so you'll not get any problems. So let me find just a good one. Like I said, so for example, I will take this one as an example.
Skincare beginner.
Here you go. So we have this video, guys, as an example from this creator sharing his experience with this product. Double click on the video and click on download video. Okay, and this video will be downloading to your laptop. So what you will do next, you need to go to Instagram. Okay, go to Instagram and open Instagram page, okay, that you will start using to promote Amazon affiliate links on Instagram, and upload this video to your Instagram. Okay, and what you will do is you need to put your affiliate link in your Instagram bio. Okay, but on Instagram you can put just up to 3 links in your bio. So what you will do is you need to create an affiliate website or landing page. Okay, let me show you how you can do it just by using AI. So what we will do, so just go to Canva, guys, go and search for Canva on Google. You just need to use your email address to sign up. It's for free and it's easy to use. So once you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, you should see here Canva AI. Okay, click on Canva AI like this, and you need here just to describe your idea. So what you will do is you will ask Canva to create a landing page like this. Ask Canva to create landing page for this Amazon products. Put the Amazon product title here. Let me show you. You can go back to this Amazon product page on Amazon that you are promoting and copy this title. Okay, copy this title and put this title here. And also, guys, to give more information to AI so you can get a good high quality website or landing page, also go to back to this Amazon product page, scroll down, you should see here about this item. So this is the product description. Copy this product description, go back to Canva and put also this product description here. And what you will do, once you finish, you can also ask Canva AI use this link so people can buy it, and put here your Amazon affiliate link. Okay, you will go back to this Amazon product page. Let me show you. You will copy your link from here, click on get link. This is your Amazon product link. Okay, this is your Amazon affiliate link. So you will go back to Canva and put your Amazon affiliate link here. Okay, just click over here, and Canva, guys, will create a good and high quality landing page for this products. And you can also add a lot unlimited products in this landing page. So you can copy the landing page link and put it in your Instagram bio, and you can promote unlimited products. And you can put all the products that you are promoting, put them in your landing page. Okay, you guys can see that Canva starts generating the code. This might take a moment, and so here you go. So once Canva finish, let me show you. You will get a landing page like this. You see, this is my result, guys. Okay, do you see this? That's really amazing. You guys also can keep asking. You have this bar here, so you can I'll create a beautiful element landing page for this Anua skincare set with clean Korean beauty, and here you go. This is your landing page. You see this? So the best part, guys, is you have also this bar. You can keep asking AI. So for example, if you didn't like something here, you want to change something, you want to change the color, or just ask AI. That's it. Just ask AI. For example, you can ask it change the color, anything you want. Okay, until you get a good landing page. Okay, and your landing page will be like this. So this is my landing page. Also, Canva AI will add your affiliate link to your landing page. So for this product, guys, that I'm promoting, this is my landing page. So if people click here on shop on Amazon, look at this. They will go directly to this Amazon product page. They will click on buy now. They buy this products, I earn a commission. This is a safe way. So I never shared how you can create a landing page with AI. This is the first video. I'm sharing it for free. So I hope you guys appreciate this. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, because the next content that is coming, It's very, very valuable content just by using AI. Make sure to subscribe if you want to get all the methods. Okay, you guys can see this is this is the landing page. It's really amazing. Look at this: Korean skin care, 3-step glass skin. Shop on now on Amazon. If they click on shop now, they will be. If they click also here on shop now, they will go directly to the Amazon. Here is the description, and here is also the link here. Get yours on Amazon. If they click over here, they will go back directly to this. You can use also this method to promote your affiliate links in safe way also on Pinterest. Okay, you have landing page. This is your website link or your landing page link. You can copy this and go back to Instagram and put this landing page link in your bio and start promoting a limited product. You want to add any new products, go back to Canva and just ask him here to add. For example, you want to add also this new product. Okay, I want to add and put the product that you want to add. Also put the link, your affiliate link with this product. So Canva AI can add everything done just by AI. You guys can see that's how you can promote affiliate links on Instagram, guys, using also landing page. So I shared with you almost everything here. For people who want to take this business seriously and they want to learn more about this business, feel free, guys, to reach out to me in my email address in my video description. I do have an Amazon affiliate marketing course where I explained everything. Plus, you get my support. Me and my team, we will follow up with you until you fully understand everything. Also, we'll teach you how we can use AI to generate your own content to promote your affiliate links, your Amazon affiliate links on Quora, Reddit, YouTube, how we can create faceless content, faceless videos that you guys can use to promote your Amazon affiliate links on YouTube without showing your face, without using your voice, how we can use AI to generate like a thumbnail, how we can use AI for SEO, and there is so much more. Just guys, everything is almost done by AI. I started using AI and my affiliate marketing business scaled fast. When I started this business, AI doesn't exist and I was making just $2,000 and up to $5,000 per month with the Amazon affiliate program. Once I started using AI, my commissions scaled fast because AI is helping me to create so much content just in a short time. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.